I'm Tommy,
I'm Les.
and we are Piled Up Garage.
Hello. Today we are going to try and clean this right here up. All this. And we are going to rebuild it. Probably not. Let's get at it. This is off at 75 Trans Am steering box. Now I just want to give a disclaimer. I don't know what I'm doing, but YouTube is a good tool. Don't know if it'll help you or not. Maybe it's the wrong size. I don't know. But we're gonna give it a whirl. Now you can use whatever cleaner you guys want, but I prefer gas. Makes it interesting. Y'all ain't got you none of these little blue towels. They're pretty good. Need to get you some. Soak it in there real good. Soak it. Now, if you guys do use gas, use the cheapest kind. Because it's cheaper. I'll get back to you once I get all this cleaned up. Okay, I'm back. Got it all cleaned up. Looks halfway decent. Not a professional job, but clean enough for me, for who it is, or for. But the first thing we need to do before we take anything apart is to mark this spanner bolt here and this bolt here to the case, because it all has to go back in the same orientation. So take a punch and you punch it there, there, and there. Let's just look at it. There, there, and there. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this off. I'll need a chisel for that, or a big screwdriver, either one. That's the wrong thing. Don't hit that. That hurts bad. Here should just twist out. I always got to have abundance of rags laying around when you do stuff like this. And have a good helper. Biggest thing. You got a good helper? Well.
Terrible news.
Be careful when you bring these out. Gotta have these little BBs. This right here's got a worm gear on it. That's what does all the turning right there. Make sure this is all good and ink wore out. Teeth are still good. Yep, that's good. Lay that right there. I just hope Tommy knows how to put these things back together. Master mechanic, that's what he is. There. And what that does, that pushes this big spring right here down so you can get it out. This is rough. Especially when you don't know what you're doing. Just like me. But I ain't afraid of doing it. Because all you need to do is just get in there and try. Unless you have, unlimited amount of money. Then you can't say you did it. I'm going to tell you, this is way above my head. Okay, folks, we're back. I got it took all apart. When I say I got it took apart, it's apart. And I ain't sure how it got back together. But I'm cleaning this thing up. It's a one owner car. Had very low miles, like 2,000 or 3,000. Million miles. Crud everywhere. But little cleaning won't hurt nothing. So let me get back with you once I get all this cleaned up. I'm going to introduce you guys to the Shop Puma right here. She's in about every video we do. She's probably more popular than I am. But she's a good watch this. Just bumps her head. Just stays there. I mean, it's like she loves me or something. But now I'm gonna have to put you down. I gotta get to work. These people don't want to watch you. Alright. Back to work. Back to work. Set that down in there. Make sure the little dots go in first. You've got big dots and little dots. Here, let me get up there. Big dots and little dots on these things. The little one goes in first. At least that's what the book said. Meaning the old timer shade tree guy. He knows what he's doing. Oh. And you take and just drive her down. Just enough past that snap ring right there. Which, mine's a little too far. That just goes along with it. Be right back. Now I'm back in the driver's seat here. Let's see. I believe it might work. kind of orientate a little bit. Went in. Hey, thank you, old timer. Because I was worried about that. Okay, that's in. Let's move it back and forth, make sure it move. Oh, she's tight too. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'm going to push it out, push it back in. There we go. Make sure she moves. Well, the next thing is this right here. Let's see if this right here works. Take this right here off. There's some trans fluid in this right in my tray here. Clean this off real good. I've already put the O-ring on it because I've done tried this thing like 30 times, and you know, it was whooping me. It was whooping me. So you stick it down in, put a little fluid in it. Keep that from falling off. That's why you gotta have a good belly. Stop things from rolling around. Stick it down in there. The way this works is that there's a little thing right there, a little tit sticking up, and there's a hole right here. What you have to do is stick this down in there, find that hole, push it over on it. Just like that. And that keeps that from coming out. Holds it. So the trick to it is that you got to stick this in. Also, there's a notch in here, right there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little notch, which correlates with this little notch. And everything has to line up. Also, there's a notch right here, which correlates with this notch, which is on the worm gear. So it all has to jive. Gets tricky with this O-ring in the way. Once you get a hang of it, though, it'll be all right. Just got to get the hang of it. I'm right-handed, folks, so I'm going to have to go this way. Now you stick it in there. It went in. Ah, look at her. There we go. That's it. Folks, you don't know how much I've been dreading this right here. This has been... but it ain't over with. Oh, no. No, no, no. You got ball burns to put in, too. Now, excited I am about this. I'll tell you. It's an ordeal. Well, here I am again. It's the third time I've tried this, but we'll get it. I think. All right, back to the ball bearings going in. mine wasn't pushed all the way in, so we're gonna try this all over again. See how maybe we can get in there. See if we can. Back a little bit of wheel bearing juice in this right here, keeping ball bearings from coming out. It's okay, it'll be fine. We get hot enough to melt that right in there like never even knew about it. Make sure they still got these little tits right there. Ain't one on that side, there is on that side, and on this other one, it's on the opposite. See, nothing fell out. So what you do, take a little more of this, a little more juice, stick it right there. Take it, squirt it right back in there. Then you take the ends, just enough to keep them from coming out. Don't pack it in there too much, just enough to keep them from falling out. That's all you're looking for. That's what that old timer told me. I believe he's part of them, or they. He seems to be right. Once you get that in there, take your strap right here and your other two screws right there. Got a bunch of these nasty rags running around here with us. Wipe it off with that. Okay, stick that in there. They're supposed to be torqued at, I don't know. I really don't know. I figured about that tight right there. Spin this back up to get this one. Well, get off it. Fighting me. Right there. Don't want to snap it off. I've been known to do that. Now what you want to do is take and turn this right here. Not all the way out. Then spin her back. Make sure she goes all the way in and all the way out. This, which the up end goes up against this right here. Swing around to where it fits, because I thought for a second there this wasn't going to work, but it will. It will. It'll work. Then you just slide her down in there. First you bend this over so it don't fall off. There we go. Getting close, folks. Getting close. Maybe I forgot something. I don't know. But it went right on in. Hey, it's looking good so far. Now you take these little bolts right here. You spin them boogers in. She's tight. I'm gonna call that good. Now we take this and we rotate it. Like baby bear soup. Okay, now, the only thing we have to do now, put that in there. Which shouldn't be a problem, but shouldn't be and is two different things. Oh. You've got this thing that goes on there, just like that right there. Stick this in. Stick it in either here or there. No, stick it in back in here. You'll never get your ring back out. Here or there. Self-explanatory. So, we're going to do the right thing. And then just jam it in there, hopefully. Man, if y'all could see the faces I'm making. I'll be right back, folks. I'm going to take this to the vise and do it. Alrighty. I'm going to have to say, this is probably the most horrific job I've ever done. I thought I was going to have to give up at one point in time and just wipe my hands clean, just go buy a new one. But I just kept going, you know, as you sore fingers keep going. Now this didn't happen all in one day. Nope, no. This was a multi-day task. And I'm going to tell you, it was rough. But here's what we got. I know this is a long video. I'm going to try and shorten it down to where it's not too long. But I think it's things that people need to see and know. If I can do this, I know you, the one over here, can do it too. Because I didn't know nothing starting into this. I had to call an old timer on some Teflon seals. But he came through. He did a good job. I mean, he didn't help me. Nope. I did it all. All he was a phone. What do you call it? Phone a friend. That's what he was, a phone a friend. But I got it done, and here it is. I'm going to fling it around. This is the only thing that was left over. This, and that. Which I didn't put that on. That goes right here. I didn't mess with that because that has that has a lot of settings. So I didn't mess with that. And these are just two extra that I don't know if I was supposed to use them or not. I don't know. But this is a E-clip, that snap ring that you know, I don't know, didn't go anywhere. But these are the clamps that I used right here. I used a rubber hammer, sockets. These are all the tools that I used in this whole thing, besides the vise that I had to take that snap ring plier out with and smack this in that cylinder in there. I had to knock it out. There were 24 ball bearings in there that you best not lose, because if you do, might as well go get you another one. This is what came out of it. I mean, and these right here, they're no bueno. They were bad. Even going back in, my fingers are sore. This is on the end down here. These. Oh, luckily they gave us a new one. None of there is no good. It was twisted like an egg shape when I got it out. That's the O-ring that goes in here. I don't know. Camera quit on me. It happens. But this is it, and I know this is a long video, but hopefully someone will get something out of this. Please, I am no professional or mechanic, but if I can do this, you can too. If you like, subscribe to us. It's your feller out. Hit that like button too, and that little bell, ding ding. Alrighty, thanks for watching.